Hey everybody, it's a rainy day here in New Hampshire, and for me, rainy days are awesome opportunities to really take 5 minutes and practice mindfulness. And if any of you continue to show up and watch these videos, great for you. I think it's awesome. I think, again, it's only going to benefit at this time, especially to take care of yourself, to do what you can in a situation where you don't have a ton of control. And mindfulness isn't something you get over the course of one video. You get it by practicing, and you get it by reading and learning, and mostly though it's practice. So that's really what I'm going to continue to encourage. Take a little bit each day from each video and give yourself 5 minutes to continue to come back and practice. Today, my one thing I wanted to say is that when you are practicing mindfulness, it's really a total acceptance of the moment right now. And when I say it's a total acceptance of the moment right now, I mean that oftentimes we have such a hard time accepting quietness. It's like if you're sitting at the kitchen table just by yourself, there's this discomfort in just being. It's like, well, now what am I going to do? Now I know there's something I have to get done. I know there's something I need to be worried about. I know there's something I need to be complaining about. I know there's something I need to be planning. But mindfulness is that opportunity to not invite any of those planning, worries, complaints, whatever. I mean, and really, what's that? Thoughts. All of those are just thoughts. Mindfulness is a time to put down a phone, except this one if you're watching this with me right now, because hopefully you can take 5 minutes at the end of this, wherever you are, and just be with me. I'm going to keep my eyes open today, look around. To me, there's nothing more calming than really watching a raindrop fall down a window. I used to do it a lot when I was a child, and there's still so much peace in it. Listening to the rain, listening to the birds, coming totally into this moment right now, because there is peace in it. We are so much more than our thoughts, our worries, our fears, our to-do lists. Come into this moment. You deserve to find the peace in this moment. We all do. So I'm going to sit with you right now, eyes open, taking in my environment. And I really no. You know what? The other thing is I have to be totally detached from this. It's like I want to save the world, and that's my thought. That's totally an ego. An ego is like thoughts that like, it's my job to, or I should. But totally detaching from that, which I really have been trying to be totally aware of. It's okay. It's all right if you don't. If you're not ready, that's cool too. If it's not part of your journey right now, I get it. But if it is, if it becomes, I'm still here. And if I'm reaching one person, that's awesome too. So wherever you are, the birds are really talking right now. I'm gonna listen. Don't mind the traffic. We live close to the road. And it's trash day. Accepting trash day as it is. doing this just so you guys know. Sometimes I try to combine everything that I can hear all at once. The traffic, the birds, the truck. And even without labels, just sound. Sometimes it's like a life orchestra. And we're all in it together. Accepting what is. Being thankful for what is. Somebody's taking away my trash right now. Thank you. Thank you to everybody who's working right now. Impermanence. Things will come and things will go. Material objects, people, feelings. If you're having feelings right now, accept them, feel into them. Invite them, because it's only energy passing through you. And if that's what's in this moment, allow it in. Fear and nervousness are energies running through all of us right now. And possibly when we do take the time to sit is when we're feeling them the most. Continue to try to allow that energy to pass through. You might be feeling peace, tapping into this moment. There is no good, there is no bad in this moment. All right, I think that's good for today. Again, continue to show up. Mindfulness, practicing meditation, they somewhat go hand in hand. Well, they do go hand in hand, but they don't come overnight. Be easy on yourself. You've got time, 5 minutes a day. Take advantage of it. All right, peace. Get it going.